Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow client-side scenarios. So we are starting with a very simple scenario. The database team complains that database-related incidents are often assigned to the wrong support group. And this unnecessary reassignment is causing delay, and hence the resolution is delayed there. So now we have to design a solution in which we tackle this kind of business urgency. Because unnecessary delay is obviously delaying the solutions, delaying the resolutions, and hence services are going to be impacted. So now we have to create a solution in which the system should help routing the database related incidents to the correct support team automatically. So in this, what we will do on the incident form, as soon as the category is database, we will set the assignment group to database support. So this is what we have to configure today. So for that, we have to write a client script, and then let's see whether we have to write on load and on change both. Okay, so now let me go to the form. This is my incident. Okay, so now go to configure client scripts. So first of all, click on new, provide appropriate name, database incident routing, and here we will write on change. And then on change of what? On change of category field. Okay, because as soon as the category changes to database, we have to trigger this solution. We have to trigger this field. So now, first of all, let me go to the groups here. Go to groups. So we have the database group here. Let me use the same, open it. So we have to use this ID of the group. So now in the script here, maximize this. So now, first of all, we have to check whether the new value of this category field is database or not. So how to check that? So this is the script here. If the category is not database, then do nothing. So that's what we are doing here. If the new value is not database, then return. Return means come out of this particular client script. Okay. So this is a kind of, again, condition because we want this script to run only for value database. So this is good here. Now move to the next line. So in next line, we have to set the assignment group value as database. Okay. So use this particular script here. Let me paste it here. Okay. So set assignment group to database support group. Okay. So here we have to put the sys ID of your database group. So this is database group. This is the sys ID. Put it here. Okay. So here we are using gform and then using the set value function of that particular gform. Okay. So gform is what? This is glide form. So it's a kind of API which ServiceNow is having. And we are using this to control the behavior of certain fields. Okay, so here we are controlling the behavior of assignment group field. So this is what? This is the field name. So let me open incident form as well. This is the incident. How to get the field name? Right click. And you see this is the field. Click on it. Just copy it. Okay. And the same we are using here to set the value of this assignment group field. So whenever you want to set a field in a form, you just have to use set value here like this, and here the field name, and then the value which you want to change. So why we are using the sys ID here? It is because this particular assignment group is reference field. Okay. So if you click on it, these all are the references which are coming. So it will stored as a sys ID only. Okay. So that's why we are pasting or we are adding sys IDs here. Okay. So now let me save it. So this is the category field. Let me check the value of categories as well. Right click and click on show choice list because I want to confirm whether I have used the same value here or not in the new value. So this is the value of the database with small d, and in the label you see capital D. So remember, you have to always use the value in the script, not the label. So the same we are doing here. We are using small d database here. Okay, so it is fine now. So now let me again go back to the incident and see whether this on change is working or not. So now let me change the database. And yes, as soon as we select database, assignment group is coming here, right? So now there is one problem. When I'm going to database, it is selecting the value here. That's fine. But as soon as I change other value, it is again, the database is not going from here. So this is also one of the issue here, right? So now we have to make changes in our script. What we have to do here, if the value is not database, then we have to come here and make the value empty. Okay. So now, and then return from the form. So I think this should work here. Okay. So now save it. So these are the things you have to take care. Reload the incident form. Now change the category to database. Very good. Again, change it to software. Very good. So this is how you should take care of it, right? Okay, so now this is working good. The ticket is automatically routing to database team as soon as the category is database. Okay. Now let me create a new incident and see whether it is working there or not. So right now in the category, the default value is coming as inquiry. That is good here because if it is coming as database, in that case, the value will not be populated because it is the initial value. It is not changing. But now as soon as somebody change it, you will see the logic working. So we need not to write any onload script here, basically. Because in this particular instance, the default value of category is inquiry or help. So anyhow, whoever is logging an incident, creating an incident, they have to change the category field and then select the database. And for that, on change, we have already written something and it is working properly. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you understand this very basic requirement. Few things which you have to take care. Always use the value there, okay, not the label in the scripts. Along with that, you have to think about these perspectives, the one which we have added here. It means the value of assignment group is changing when the category is database, but as soon as I am changing it back to something else, it is not changing the assignment group. Or basically we have to empty the assignment group. So the same we have handled here in this, okay? So this is it for today's requirement. I will come up with one more soon. Let me know your thoughts.